Once Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said, and I quote, मैं ऐसे धर्म को मानता हूं जो स्वतंत्रता, समानता और भाईचारा सिखाता हो, and I unquote. Good morning, respected dignitaries and my fellow friends. Today, I'll be delivering speech on one of the greatest architects of modern India, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, fondly known as Baba Saheb. Born into harsh caste division on April 14, 1891. His childhood was marked by discrimination, denial of water, segregation in classroom, and social humiliation. Yet, his faith in education never wavered. Such zeal for learning was recognized and admired by one of his guru, Krishnaji Keshav Ambedkar, who assured him with opportunity that Baba Saheb invaluably grasped as he believed, and I quote, शिक्षा वो हथियार है जिससे समाज की हर जंजीर को तोड़ा जा सकता है, and I unquote. Dr. Ambedkar pursued higher education both in India and abroad. His doctoral thesis and his writing, Caste in India, Their Mechanism, Genesis and Development, shows his area of interest on developing the underdeveloped. Returning to India, he founded the Bahishkriti Hitkarni Sabha in 1924 to promote education and social upliftment of the downtrodden. Baba Saheb also led historical struggles such as Mahat Satyagraha in 1927 and Kalaram Temple entry movement in Nashik. As a member of Viceroy Executive Council, he introduced progressive labor reforms including fair working hours and maternity benefits. At Roundtable Conference, he demanded a separate electorate for the oppressed classes, which eventually led to the Pune Pact 1932. Baba Saheb's great contribution was drafting the Constitution of India, envisioning a democracy rooted not only in political equality but also in social and economic justice. Baba Saheb's vision of reservation took a shift from formal equality to transformation mandate for substantive representation that is echoed in the landmark judgment of 7-judge decision in the case of State of Punjab versus Davinder Singh, emphasizing that the benefit of justice must reach the last person in line. Baba Saheb also challenged oppressive traditions through the Manusmriti Dehan. He rejected codified inequality and he resigned as India's first law minister. When the Hindu Code Bill was stalled, proving that the true democrat consign outweighs offices, critiques like Arun Suhri question his political choice in worshipping false gods. As Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's conversion to Buddhism was final declaration of freedom for human spirit. To conclude, let us remember that the true strength of our republic lies not in the ink of constitution, but in our collective courage to challenge injustice. As he warned, and I quote, असमानता पर आधारित समाज अतः स्वयं का विनाश करता है, and I unquote. Thank you.